Hi, this is Oğuzhan. Welcome to another UiPath tutorial with me. In this lesson, we will learn how we can automate Outlook and send receive emails with Outlook activities. So for this, I will use my test account here, and let's get back to Studio. Search for send mail. There are several activities here: Exchange, IBM, Outlook and SMTP. I will go with Outlook. So it's really easy and straightforward. So who am I going to send this? RPA at tr subject. This is a test, and body, hello there, how are you doing? So in properties section there are several settings, so I need to add account here, set the sender mail address, okay. So it will send this mail to this mail address. Let's try it and see. Run file. Yeah, it finished working. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Yeah, it's here. This is a test. Hello there, how are you doing? And we get the mail like this. So let's mark them as unread, and let's continue with reading inbox. So for this I will type get Outlook mail messages, this one. I can comment this one. Okay, so also for this activity I will use Outlook application. I just need to write my mail account here, and then I need to write folder name. So here it's inbox, so it will read from here. I just wanted to mark as read all of them. I will retrieve messages with this mail list. If I check this one, it's list of mail messages, as you can see here. Let's take it, and after that, with for each loop, try to read information from MailBox, MailList, and need to change it to mail message object. So let's say if item subject contains, type it, UiPath. Okay, then mark as read that specific mail message. Okay, so I need to change it to mark as read to false, so that only this specific mail will be marked as read. Rest of them will not be touched. Okay, just try it and see if it is working. Yeah, we have read this mail, not this one, and mark as read only this one because it contains its subject UiPath word keyword. So let's play with subject and mail body. So I just won't touch it. Let's say log message, so that we can see what is inside the mail messages. Headers, date to string, and also let's do it like that. Item subject to string. Let's continue like on this date with blah 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 subject mail is sent to you by item sender to string. Okay, and let's try it. We will see here, hopefully. Okay, let's have a look here. On Friday 11th March 2022, and that time with this is a test subject mail is sent to you by RPA. Okay, we got it. On the last part, let's try to write it down on Excel file. So to do this, I will need write range activity, add data row, and put it here. First, I need to define data table, then I can put the data from items to that data table, and after that I need to write it to Excel file. I need build data table. Let's say subject sender will be string, okay, and also date, it is also string. Okay, then I will add array row to that data table. Let's call it data mail inbox. Okay, then I will add that specific data table, data mail inbox. So I need to add array row on that specific data table. Item headers, sorry, first thing is subject, and then item from, and item headers date to string. Okay, then it will add these informations to data table, and after that I will write this data table to Excel file. So data mail inbox desktop, let's create new one, mail inbox. Okay, inbox. Let's add headers and try it. Okay, run file. Okay, it finished working. Let's check our Excel. And I have a typo here. Okay, that is okay, but I just make it bold. So subjects are here, sender is the same for all of the emails, and the date column is here. So I just get the mail messages, select specific information from these mail messages and write it to Excel file by creating data table and importing data of that specific data table. So I think this is all. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.